Hey guys, welcome back to Stuff in the Shed. Bit of progress. I have a roof. This is a product called Coraline. It's primarily used for roofing and walls. Exactly, I actually have a piece here that's down. It's not exactly that thick, but it is. Comes in lengths of 2 meters by just over a meter, and it is 15 years. It has a 15 years water resistancy guarantee. So now I do the roof, and the whole roof consists of 3 panels, which allows for a bit of an overlap, and that including fixings, which are these little nails, which have a little sealant. Just put that in through and pop your little cap on to keep them watertight. So the whole thing, including the fixings, was £30, which was absolutely amazing for one quick roof. As you can see, it's pretty dark in here, as obviously I have no window yet. This is where the window's going. I might actually put a larger window in here. I've just been looking around, scavenging around to see if I can find some glass. If I can find the right piece of glass that will fit in any of these apertures, then I can just recreate a framing and fit it in. Made a little workbench, as you can see. Nothing fancy, but does the job for now. Hold some tools. Of course, the magical Mario mug that everyone likes with a cup of coffee. So yeah, just threw some tools down here as well. Just put a little screw up just to keep especially the saws, just keep the saws out of the way. I've a load more tools at home, in the home, in-house, but I don't want to bring them out here yet until the place is fully secure. Made this little table, again nothing spectacular, but it will house, when finished, my little gas stove. This needs drastically cleaned up. It just takes a little propane canister in there with the electronic ignition type thing. Most essential part of this little shed / workshop, somewhere to make a brew. So yeah, that's it. That's progress so far. There's still roughly 4 panels of the 8mm OSB board, which are going to be the walls. So 4 panels to finish, so 2 here for the back and 2 for this side. And the offcuts of those sheets will fill in these gaps in between where I put in glass. That'll at least be watertight and secure. Also a door, obviously. I don't have a door yet, which I'm searching around any old dumpsters or construction sites that are happening around the place for a door. Keep everything down to minimum in cost. And any gaps, of course, I'll fill in. This part here, for instance, is an extra board just that I screwed the roof onto rather than drop down. That way it gives me enough of a run off that'll let the rain flow out into the back passageway, and then I'll just fill in there with expanding foam, the waterproof expanding foam on the exterior, and spray that in just to just to keep that watertight and anywhere else that there's a gap. But at the minute it'll do, as you can see at the start, the blue sky, sun's shining. How long it's going to last over here, I don't know. Obviously we're called the Emerald Isle for a reason, because of our green fields, and they don't happen unless it's raining. So until next time guys, stay tuned, see where I get to, and hopefully within the next couple of weeks we'll be finished off and there'll be a lot more light in here. I'm just going to get some little solar lights to hang up for working in here. I want to keep everything in here just off grid if possible. I'll hook up a 12-volt battery and maybe a little solar panel or something to try and get some power in here for when if I'm using power tools or whatever. So yeah, that's another little update guys. Thanks for watching. And oh, if anyone sees or speaks to Mr. Tim Morant, tell him I'm trying to send him a message, but my messenger won't work on the YouTube, and to give me a shout. My email is on any of his little questions that he's asked me to contact him. So until next time guys, stay safe and be the light in someone's darkness.